Are you a farmer on the hunt for top-notch and cutting-edge agricultural machinery? Or are you someone who loves to explore the fascinating intersection of history and technology? Look no further. Come along with us on an exciting adventure as we explore the captivating tale and rich heritage of Kubota Tractors. Think about a world without tractors, where farming is hard work and crops don't grow well. Isn't it hard to picture? Well, modern farming has changed a lot thanks to the creativity and hard work of companies like Kubota. Join us as we learn about the interesting story and history of Kubota Tractors, from their humble beginnings to their position as the world's most popular brand of farm equipment. Find out how Kubota's dedication to new ideas, reliability and customer satisfaction has changed farming and other industries. Did you know Kubota Tractors are well known for their dependability, fuel efficiency and ease of operation? But did you know that this reputation for excellence is the result of more than a century of innovation and commitment to customer satisfaction? So whether you're a farmer or a history buff, well, you're in for a treat. Sit back and relax, and let's kick off our journey. Today's video is about the history of Kubota Tractors. Kubota Corporation is a major producer of agricultural and construction machinery, including tractors. Gonshiro Kubota founded the company in Osaka, Japan in 1890, and it has been providing innovative solutions to farmers for over a century. Kubota's early years were devoted to the manufacture of cast iron pipes and other machinery. However, in the 1960s, the company began to develop tractors in response to growing farmer demand. Kubota is now a global leader in the farming industry, offering tractors ranging from small compact models to large, high-horsepower machines. Kubota Corporation's early years were primarily focused on the production of cast iron pipes and other machinery. However, in response to growing farmer demand, Kubota began to develop tractors in the 1960s. The L200, the first Kubota tractor, was introduced in 1960. This small tractor was well received by Japanese farmers because it was designed for small farms. The L200 was succeeded by the L300 and L450, larger tractors designed for larger farms. Kubota also began developing engines and transmissions for its tractors around this time. Engineers at the company concentrated on creating engines that were powerful, dependable and fuel efficient. Kubota also experimented with hydrostatic transmissions, which allowed for smoother operation and improved fuel economy. Kubota faced numerous challenges in its early years. The company had limited resources and was up against established tractor manufacturers. Kubota, on the other hand, was able to establish a foothold in the Japanese market due to its quality and dependability of tractors. Despite these obstacles, Kubota has continued to innovate and broaden its product line. Throughout the 1970s, the company introduced several new tractors, including the B6000, which was designed for small-scale farming, and the M4000, which was designed for larger farms. Kubota had established itself as a leading tractor manufacturer in Japan by the end of the 1970s. However, the company was still in its early stages. Kubota would expand its product line, establish a global presence, and revolutionize the farming industry with its innovative technology over the next few decades. When Kubota made its first tractors in the 1960s, they were made to meet the needs of Japanese farmers who wanted small, reliable and effective machines for their farms. Small and easy to move, these early tractors were perfect for the small, terraced farms that were common in Japan. The L200 was one of Kubota's first tractors. It had two-wheel drive and a diesel engine with 2 cylinders. It could go up to 15 miles an hour and had a top speed of 10 horsepower. Japanese farmers liked the L200 right away because it was easy to drive, reliable and used very little gas. The L300, Kubota's next tractor, was made for bigger farms. It had a 3-cylinder diesel engine that made 16 horsepower, and it could be attached to a plow, a cultivator or a mower, among other things. The L300 was also a 2-wheel drive model, but it had a longer wheelbase and a more powerful engine than the L200. Kubota's first tractor with 4-wheel drive was the L450, which came out in 1969. The L450 had a diesel engine with 4 cylinders that made 28 horsepower. It also had a 3-point hitch that let it pull heavy loads. The L450 was a big deal for Kubota because it showed how committed the company was to new ideas and how well it could come up with new technologies. During the 1970s, Kubota kept adding new products to its line, such as the B6000, the M4000, and the M7000 tractors. These tractors were made for different kinds of farms and came with a variety of features, such as a 4-wheel drive, power steering and hydrostatic transmissions. Early Kubota tractors were a big part of the company's success, and they set the stage for the company to grow in the years to come. These early machines were easy to use, worked well, and were reliable, so they quickly got a reputation for being strong and long-lasting. Today, farmers all over the world use Kubota tractors, which are still known for being reliable, flexible, and full of new technology. Kubota had established itself as a leading tractor manufacturer in Japan by the 1980s. The company's ambitions, however, did not end there. Kubota wished to broaden its horizons and became a global brand. Kubota began exporting tractors to other countries, beginning with the United States in the early 1980s. The B7100 and B6100 were Kubota's first tractor models in the US, and they were intended for small-scale farming. These tractors were well received by American farmers, and Kubota quickly established a reputation for producing high-quality, dependable machines. Throughout the 1980s and 1990s, Kubota expanded its product line and global reach. The company established its first overseas factory in the US in 1988, followed by factories in Europe and Asia. Kubota was able to produce tractors locally and tailor its products to the specific needs of each region thanks to these factories. Kubota had established a global presence by the 2000s, with sales and distribution networks in over 130 countries. Tractors manufactured by the company were used in a variety of agricultural and industrial applications, ranging from small-scale farming to construction and landscaping. Kubota's global market success can be attributed in part to the company's commitment to innovation and technology. Kubota continued to develop new tractor technologies and features such as the glide shift transmission and the variable hydrostatic transmission, which provided smoother operation and better fuel efficiency. Kubota developed a variety of agricultural machinery, including combine harvesters, rice planters and mowers, in addition to tractors. These machines helped Kubota establish itself as a leading supplier of agricultural equipment by expanding its product line. Kubota is now one of the world's largest producers of tractors and agricultural machinery. To meet the changing needs of farmers and other customers around the world, the company continues to innovate and develop new technologies. Kubota has always been known for its forward-thinking and innovative approach to engineering. The company's dedication to technological innovation has resulted in a slew of groundbreaking developments in agricultural machinery. The glide shift transmission was one of Kubota's most significant innovations. This transmission, introduced in the 1980s, allowed for smoother shifting and greater operator control, enhancing the overall performance and efficiency of Kubota tractors. The variable hydrostatic transmission was another significant achievement. This technology, introduced in the 1990s, provided a continuously variable transmission ratio, allowing the operator to tailor the tractor's speed and power to the task at hand. The VHD system improved fuel efficiency and productivity while providing a smoother ride. Kubota was also the first to use diesel engines in tractors. Diesel engines are more efficient and provide more torque than gasoline engines, making them ideal for agricultural applications. Today, Kubota is one of the world's leading agricultural machinery manufacturers, with a diverse product line sold in over 130 countries worldwide. Tractors in the company's product line range from small compact models for small-scale farming to large utility tractors for commercial farming operations. Kubota also manufactures hay tools, loaders and excavators, as well as engines and generators. Kubota's dedication to innovation and technology can still be seen in its products today. Kubota tractors with advanced features like electronic power steering, ergonomic controls, and automated functions improve operator comfort, productivity, and safety. We hope that the story of Kubota Tractors inspires you to drive progress and innovation in your own field as you continue to grow and evolve in your own pursuits. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you again soon. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.